Good morning everybody and welcome to today's maths lesson. We're going to be doing a recap of bus stop division today. All of the things we're doing at the moment are just in preparation for the beginning of year 6. It's really important that you try your best with these. Send me any questions if you're not sure and have a really good go. We'll start with a countdown warm up and then we're going to get started on some bus stop division. So today we are looking at the bus stop method and we have done this quite a few times before. However, it's really good as we're getting ready for year 6 to have a quick recap of the short division method. So we're going to be looking today at dividing 4 digits by 1 digit. So we're going to have a quick look at an example now. So I'm going to just think of a 4-digit number. So 3193, 3193 divided by 5. Now, first of all, I want you to think about this question. How do I know, especially because it's the 5 times table, that this answer will have a remainder? Excellent. I know it must have a remainder because numbers in the 5 times table always end with a 0 or a 5, and we've got a 3 here, so we know that we're going to have a remainder at the end. You don't always know, but there are some numbers that you are dividing by that you know, because 5 is multiples of 5 always end in 0 or 5. If it's a multiple of 3, remember, all the digits will add up to a number in the 3 times table. They're the main two, really. If it's an even number and you've got an odd number, then you'll know that you'll have a remainder. So if I was divided by 4 now, I would know that that wouldn't be possible because you can't get an odd number as a multiple of an even number. So there's a few little tricks. Okay, so I've drawn my bus stop and I'm going to pop in my digits. So first of all, we're going to be thinking about how many 5s go into 3. I cannot fit any 5s into 3, so I need to put a 0 here because 5 is bigger than 3. Remember that we cannot just ignore that 3 though. That is still 3 thousands that I need to include in my answer somewhere to help me get my answer. So I'm going to pop my 3 here now. I'm going to exchange it into this column. So now I'm looking at how many 5s are in 31. How many 5s are in 31? And remember, a quick technique. If you're not sure on the particular timetable that you are dividing by, write them down the side for yourself. So how many 5s are in 31? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because that's 30. And then one more makes 31, which is my remainder. How many 5s are in 19? 1, 2, 3 5s are in 19 with 4 left over. So I'm going to put my 3 here and 4 left over is my remainder. And finally then, how many 5s are in 43? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that would be 40, so that means there's 1, 2, 3 left over. And I did predict there would be a remainder, so that helps me out. Okay, I know that there would be a remainder, and there is. To check it, remember, it'd be brilliant to see some checking today. We multiply our answer by our divisor and then add on the remainder at the end. So 638 times 5 is, so 8 times 5 is 40, 3 times 5 is 15, add 4 is 19, 6 times 5 is 30, add 1 is 31. 3,190 add the remainder, add the 3 is what we began with, 3,193. So a couple of top tips then. See if you can have a look first of all and work out from the number that is the number you're dividing by, your divisor, whether you think it should have a remainder or not. Use your times tables, write them out for the divisor to support you. And take it one step at a time as you are going through the bus stop, making sure that you exchange where necessary. I'd love to see you checking your work today using both the multiplication method and adding on the remainders at the end. And also the answers will be coming up at the end of this video, so please do check your answers at the end. I'd like to see all your working out on a bus stop method, please. If there isn't enough room on the sheet on Seesaw, then you can do that in your exercise book.